Everyone thinks building a website needs a developer, a big budget, and weeks of waiting. They're wrong, and I'm about to prove it in the next 30 seconds. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact tool that builds a full website for you with zero code. It's called Easy-Peasy.AI, and what it does next will surprise you.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access Easy-Peasy.AI, click the link in the video description, and that will take you straight to the official site. This is a true all-in-one AI platform that can help you create AI workflows, generate videos and images, design interiors, build transcription agents, and a lot more. Go ahead and sign in, and once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Easy-Peasy.AI has a clean, user-friendly interface, and it's built to handle a wide range of tasks. From here, you can create slide decks, build websites, generate images, music, videos, and much more. At the top, you'll find recommended tools followed by ready-made templates for video generation, image creation, and more. You can grab any of these templates and start generating content right away. But today, we're focusing on one specific feature, the Easy-Peasy.AI Marky agent. Click on Marky agent and you'll get access to its dedicated interface. From here, you can generate slide decks, build websites, create images, and more, all powered by AI. Since we're building a website today, click on Websites and you'll see several options to choose from, including landing pages, product launch pages, event registration pages, and newsletter sign-up pages. You can also generate dashboards, portfolios, corporate sites, and SaaS pages, so the options here are extensive. You'll also notice you can upload files, photos, or even your own brand voice and add specific skills to guide the AI. There's a prompt library available too, along with the option to connect apps like Google Drive and PayPal for extended functionality. For this tutorial, we're generating a product website, so click on that option. Once you do, Easy-Peasy.AI will give you a sample prompt to use as a starting point, or you can write your own from scratch. Here's the prompt I used. Build a literature review platform called ScholarLens, where the purpose is to help researchers and students discover and organize academic literature reviews across disciplines and make it easy to search and evaluate sources. I followed this with a list of core features I wanted included. Once your prompt is ready, hit Enter and let the AI get to work. The generation process runs through 5 steps, so give it a moment to work through each one. You'll see it thinking and writing code in real time to bring your website to life. Step 1 wraps up quickly, and Step 2 builds out the content, data, and homepage. Once that's done, you'll need to give it a quick instruction to keep going. Just tell it to continue building the UI and deploy the preview. I did exactly that, and the process moved into steps 3 and 4. At this point, you can already see a live preview of the ScholarLens landing page appearing on the right side of the screen. It's not finished yet, so we just need to let step 5 complete. And there it is. The final step is done, and the website is ready to view. Let's open the URL and take a look. Here's the finished ScholarLens website, and it turned out really well, with a clean design that includes all the key information around academic literature review, covering multiple disciplines and research fields. At the top, you'll find different sections, including academic disciplines you can browse directly. This is a great example of how quickly you can go from a simple prompt to a fully functional, well-structured website using Easy-Peasy.AI. Let's head back to the main interface because there's more this tool can do. Behind every generated project, Easy-Peasy.AI gives you access to the underlying code, the database, and the version history. You can push your project straight to GitHub, download the entire website as a zip file, or publish it live with a single click. And that's really just the beginning. because Easy-Peasy.AI also lets you generate slide decks using ready-made templates, perfect for building PowerPoint presentations, along with data visuals, infographics, mobile app UI screens, music, videos, and AI agents for deep research and academic work. Easy-Peasy.AI is a genuine all-in-one tool built to speed up your workflow, whatever you're working on. If you want to try it yourself, the link is right there in the description. Let me know in the comments what you end up building with it, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials.